Hey guys, so it's early in the morning. I have 21 subscribers. You can tell. Early in the morning, I have 21 subscribers. So I'm going to pop an egg on my head today. I think 2 I said. But yeah, we don't have 19 anymore. We have 21. I don't know how much views I have. I haven't saw that. But today I'm going to show you how to... today I'm going to show you this gun that I got yesterday in Long Island, where I went yesterday. I didn't get in Long Island, but this has to go up straight. Okay, so let's see where that's pointing. Okay, that's okay. I think I can stand back here. Okay, perfect. Hi. So, this gun, it's a cap gun where you put the cap rolls in instead of the cap shots. So, these are the rolls. I'm going to open them up. There's 5 in each pack. So, I only need 1. I hope it works for you. Here's the cap roll. Let's see. Then you have to get it up. You have to get the paper up, actually, and you roll it around, and then you got it, and then until the first one. I ripped that one, okay. Now it's going to shoot it. Hope it works. I want it to work so badly. Get in! How much time do we have? Oh, okay, hurry up. Let's see if it works. Come on, get in there. Okay, it's in. So now you just close it up, and it'll come up. That's what it's supposed to sound like. That one caught on fire! And sometimes you just need to open it back up and push it up a little. Give it a little boost. That was a really good one. Ow! Ow! That hurts! So that is the cap gun, guys. I think it's really cool. But it is really cool, actually. So that is the rest of it. So that's done. So I hope you liked the cap gun and liked this video. Yeah, bye.